Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, we are going to explore an essential tool in Windows called Task Manager. Many of us have faced situations where our computer suddenly hangs, becomes slow, or a program that we open stops responding and shows errors. In such cases, instead of restarting the entire system, Task Manager comes to the rescue. For instance, let's say we have opened CapCut and Microsoft Word, and suddenly both applications freeze or stop responding. In such a situation, there's no need to shut down or restart your computer. Instead, you can use Task Manager to quickly identify the unresponsive program and close it directly. This way, you solve the issue immediately and continue working without interrupting your entire system. When your computer hangs and nothing else seems to work, the best solution is to open Task Manager using its shortcut. You can do this by pressing Ctrl Shift Delete on your keyboard. This instantly launches Task Manager, allowing you to close the unresponsive application without restarting your PC. Now, look at the keyboard, you need to press the shortcut Ctrl Alt Delete. After pressing it, a menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, simply click on Task Manager, and it will open, giving you access to manage or close any unresponsive applications. Now, as you can see, this is the interface of Task Manager. It provides a detailed view of all the applications and processes currently running on your computer, along with their CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. At the top, Task Manager displays a list of all the software and applications currently running on your computer. To fix the issue, simply locate the program that is causing your system to hang, select it from the list, and then click on the End Task button at the bottom. This will immediately close the unresponsive application and free up your system. Here, we are selecting CapCut from the list of running applications and clicking on the End Task button to forcefully close it. Now, let's go ahead and close the other unresponsive software in the same way by selecting it and clicking on End Task. As you can see, we have successfully closed all the unresponsive applications. So, whenever your computer hangs, you should follow this method instead of shutting down or restarting your system. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.